Yo, this is about, this is just a brief rundown on some of the snack foods and things that I indulge in that's minimal processed and somewhat are healthier to add with the raw fruits and vegetables that you indulge in. Check it out. All right. What we have here now is you have silk. That's silk soy milk. Okay, but it's some controversy about it, so you might want to check it out. I don't have time to explain. I'm just running a brief, quick rundown. Okay, you have different brands. You have the one with no sugar added. Then you have that's no sugar. That's silk. Then you have what I would really insist on you recommend is this almond. This almond milk. It's pure almond milk. Or you could actually make your own. Find out the process yourself. So you have silk almond milk. Different types of chips, 9-grain Mrs. Vicks. You have power bars, pretty good. Almonds, granola bars, Nature Valley. I really wouldn't recommend the planters because they're roasted, but I would recommend the Blue Diamond because of their whole natural, not roasted. Only problem is they have the shell missing, but that's for convenience. You have the Tabasco sauce, that's habanero. Just add a little more heat to it. You can do the raw jalapenos. The serrano peppers also are the raw habanero peppers. Honey. There's some controversy about honey, so you might want to check into that also. People think it's healthy, some people think it's not healthy. Tostitos sun chips, you have all types of other goods. Whole grain, pasta, Barilla. Kashi Goleen cereal. So, this is somewhat how I try to eat right a little bit. More raw vegetables, fruits, that's the best thing. More raw vegetables and fruits, indulge in that. You got the olive oil, the red wine vinegar, graham crackers, that's blue corn, Tostitos, smart food. It's all type of things you could eat. Dark chocolate, 85%. You have 90% dark chocolate. You have 72%. Yep. So 72% dark. Gerard Deli. You got whole wheat Ritz, Triscuits, original. You got fire roasted tomato. You got trail mix, unsalted. It's all, And then some books I recommend, you got Men's Health, Obama representing on the front cover. So, it's about health. Even the president knows this. You got Kevin Trudeau, Natural Kids They Don't Want You to Know About. Boom, that's a good book. And you have this by Purity Research. Healthy Aging. Yep, that's about the size of it. So just try to enjoy the taste of freedom. All I can say, just enjoy the taste of freedom.